Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I have something very interesting to share about GTA 6. What I'm about to show you guys is one of the most interesting things discovered by the community in the GTA 6 trailer. Most of people believe that GTA 6 will be set in more than one city. But what if I told you GTA 6 might be set in 2 states? Yeah, I'm not talking about 2 regions or 2 cities, I'm talking about 2 states. I know this might sound kinda crazy because 2 states maybe it's too much. You might think that, hey, Florida is a very big state. How that's supposed to be? But on today's video, I'm gonna be showing you some evidence that GTA 6 will be set in 2 states. You guys know that in the GTA 6 trailer and in the screenshots released by Rockstar, there's a lot of vehicles with different plates. Some of these vehicles has the plates of Leonida, which is the state of GTA 6, but there are other vehicles showing another plate, showing the name of the state Gloriana. At first, people thought that this could be just a detail, like there's a lot of cars in a state that doesn't belong to the state, like someone traveled to another state and they use a different plate, which makes sense. You guys know that this happens in real life. There's a lot of Georgia plates in Florida, but this is not the only evidence that people found that GTA 6 will be set in 2 states. And now I have this screenshot. This screenshot shows some mountains, some hills, something like that. And people compare this screenshot with real life and they realized that this is not located in Florida. This is more like a region located in Georgia, which is another state. Okay, now we have 2 evidence that GTA 6 will be set in 2 states, not only 1, but there's more. I look it up in Reddit and people already have speculated that GTA 6 will be set in 2 states. This user of Reddit noticed that in the first trailer of GTA 6 there's a part where you can see a hill, and people are saying that Florida is actually flat. There were not too much hills on Florida. And also, if you pay attention to all the screenshots released by Rockstar, at least the parts where Vice City is being showed, you can see that Vice City is entirely flat. You cannot see hills or anything like that. I don't know if Florida is actually flat in real life, but at least in these screenshots we can see that everything is flat. Okay, this is not a huge evidence, but if we put all the evidence together, we can see that the theory is getting stronger. Some people on the internet speculated that Gloriana could be not a part of the main map of GTA 6, like it could be a part where you go at some point in the campaign of the game, like what happened in Red Dead Redemption 2 when you go to Guarma, or maybe GTA 5, you know that there's that part where you travel to North Yankton. But maybe, just maybe, GTA 6 will have 2 playable states. And now I'll show you guys the final evidence that Gloriana will be part of the main map of GTA 6. And the final evidence is that this wouldn't be the first time that Rockstar put like 2 states in the same map of GTA. Yeah, I'm not kidding. Most of people don't know that, but there's another GTA game that is set in 2 states in the main map. But first, let's take a look at GTA San Andreas. And no, this is not the GTA that's set in 2 states. GTA San Andreas is set in San Andreas and there's 3 cities, but in the real life, Las Venturas is based on Las Vegas, which is a different state. So if you compare the map of GTA San Andreas to what we have in real life, all the superior part of the map, and I mean the desert and Las Vegas, are supposed to be another state. Like in real life, Las Venturas is based on Las Vegas, that is located in Nevada and is a different state. You guys know that, but GTA San Andreas is set in only 1 state. The game changes the state of Las Venturas. And also this can be done in GTA 6 because this region of Georgia can be located in Leonida. This doesn't prove anything, but there's something about GTA 4 that most people still don't know. A lot of people don't know that, but now this fact will blow your mind. Do you guys know that GTA 4 is set in 2 states? Yeah, I'm not kidding. GTA 6 is set in 1 state called Liberty State, but Liberty State is not the entire map. It's actually only these 2 islands. The 3rd island is actually another state, the Alderney State. Yeah, you don't have to take my word for it. You can like look it up in Google. GTA 4 was set in 2 states and most of people don't know that. The reason why most people don't know that is because Alderney doesn't change the vehicles and other things. But there's some NPCs that are different. Take a look at the police and see by yourself that they are different from the police of Liberty City. So if this happened before, I think it might be reasonable to think that it can happen again. So now I think you guys agree that it's not a big issue for GTA 6 be set in 2 states. And there's more. You guys know that Red Dead Redemption 1 is set in 2 countries, which is even crazier, you know? Okay, I don't think that Gloriana will have a huge city for you to explore, but at least we have a region to explore. We have a mountain, maybe some mysteries like the Mount Chiliad. Anyway, but there's a counter evidence to this theory. If you take a look at the postcard of Mount Calaga, which is the region supposed to be United States, you can see that it's showing Leonida, which means that Mount Calaga and this region will be set in Leonida and not Gloriana. But that's all, guys. I want to know what you guys think about this theory, and that's all. And bye!